Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to demonstrate how to make a slip cover for your ottoman. Now this particular ottoman that you're looking at, I've made quite a few slip covers for it because I do have an animal and he does like to sit on it. So this time around when I made the cover, I chose to use a cotton fabric because it is washable. So here is the front side of the fabric, and underneath I put other fabric. And the reason why I did that is I used cotton batting, which is this. It's in between this fabric underneath and the fabric on top. Now you don't need to do this. If you're making this for a family room and you have a lot of children, a good fabric to make it out of is probably denim. It's thicker and it's a little sturdier. Always pre-wash any of your fabrics that are washable first before you cut into it. So on this one, there's another step that's in here that I'm not demonstrating in this tutorial, and that's doing quilting stitches. So if you look close, you can see these little squiggly lines. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, and it will require cotton batting, there is a link listed below your YouTube screen in the description section that will show you how to do beginner's quilting stitch patterns. Okay, let's get started. For rectangle ottomans, measure longest edge. Place tape measure at bottom side edge, go up over the top and down to the bottom side of opposite side edge. Now measure the other side from bottom edge over the top and down to the other bottom edge. Add 6 inches to each measurement to have enough fabric for the hem. Use these measurements to cut your fabric. To find the center of your fabric, fold the pretty sides of your fabric in half and then fold again. To find the center of your fabric, fold the pretty sides of your fabric in half and fold again. Place a straight pin into the corner fold to mark the center of the fabric. Unfold the fabric. Have the pretty side of the fabric facing down and center the fabric over the top of the ottoman. Make sure the fabric length from the top to the bottom edge is the same on all 4 sides. Smooth the fabric without stretching the fabric. Pinch the fabric at the corners and place straight pins in the side of the ottoman to hold the fabric in place. Bring fabric together without stretching the fabric. Place pins into the fabric along the edge of the corner. This marks where your stitch line will be. Pin all 4 corners the same way. Remove the fabric. Place the ruler next to the line of the pins and draw a line with either chalk or a fabric marker. Place pins pointing side to side. Do a long basting stitch on top of drawn line to temporarily hold the seam. Place ruler 1 inch from stitch line and trim excess fabric off. Place cover over the ottoman with seams facing out. Make sure the cover is not too tight or too loose. Make any adjustments necessary. Remove the cover. Now do a regular straight stitch over the basting stitches. Place 1/4 inch line on the ruler on top of the stitch line. Cut excess fabric off. To cover the seam's raw edges, use either a zigzag stitch or overcast stitch, or use a serger machine. Turn cover over with pretty side of the fabric facing out. Place cover over the ottoman. When marking your hem, keep in mind that the bottom of the hem should be 1 inch below the bottom of the ottoman. Turn fabric under and pin all the way around. On the underside, fold raw edges under, and pin. Do a straight stitch or a hem stitch all the way around. On my hem, I used a serger sewing machine to cut and bind the raw edges, then did a straight stitch to hold the hem all the way around. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you try making this for one of your ottomans. Now, if you're looking for something for a round ottoman, the steps are very different. So this particular one won't work for your round ottoman. In the future, I will come out with a tutorial on how to do a round ottoman. Now, make sure you go below your YouTube screen in the description section to check out the links that I have down there for you. I'll have links to different pillows so you can coordinate everything together in your living room or family room, whichever room you're making this for. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.